Are you tired of spending hours creating social media content that gets no engagement? Stop wasting 5 hours every week creating content that gets completely ignored. I'm about to show you exactly how I generate 50 social media content ideas in under 3 minutes, perfectly tailored to your business, product, or personal brand. It works with any AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and any content creation tool you use. And if you are using Marquee, you can even import all ideas ready with copy-paste directly. I spent over 50 hours building this system, but there's one crucial mistake that 80% of creators make when trying to scale their content, and I'll reveal exactly what this is in just a moment. You sit there for hours staring at the blank screen trying to come up with a perfect post. You research trending topics, write captions, delete them, rewrite them, then you finally hit publish and get 12 likes from your mom and your best friend. The problem isn't your creativity, you're just missing a proven system and right prompts that actually convert. And here's what's really shocking. Most people think they need expensive tools or years of experience to crack this code. They couldn't be more wrong. So I built this content generation system that changes everything. You simply enter one strategic prompt into any AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever you prefer. The system analyzes what's working right now and guides you through the complete process. This is the exact method I use for all my content that saves me hours daily, and here's how it works. You simply go on the site and click the prompt, you copy the prompt, go to your ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, whatever. So it asks the business. Let's say we are gym. Let's copy this. Let's say gym or personal training. Then it's asking you for what target audience it should be. Let's take everybody, but not the beginners. And then the content focus should be the product or service or whatever you want to promote. In our example, let's say we have these courses and we want to promote the offers. Copy paste these two simply in here, and you can really be specific on your use case, and then it's doing the magic. From now on, you get 50 content ideas, perfectly written with viral hook formulas. You don't have to do anything anymore, and it's generating them based on the input. So these are the ideas. Let's wait till it's finished. But the cool thing is that not only you get the 50 ideas that you can directly import in Marquee, I will show this in a second, but what you also get is step 2. Step 2 is repurpose with angles cheat sheet. Okay, so what you can do is simply copy this. There are a few of them inside when it's finished, but it's taken a long time, and you replace the angle name with one of the desired angles you want them to have. So let's say you have the desired outcome angle. You just copy everything that's in the desired outcome angle, and now it will generate everything from the standpoint of the desired outcome of your target audience. Or if it would be an emotional angle, if it should be data backed or case study, everything. But yeah, so this is absolutely amazing. So you just replace this with this. Now we hit enter with this prompt, and then you will get 50 brand new ideas, but with the desired outcome angle. Like I said, you can use it in every system, but Marquee generates the graphics for you based on this input, and it will save you tons of hours. So what you can do now is simply copy the table here, go into Marquee, then go into bulk add topics, and then it brings you the red lines, but it's only because of the first row. You just simply erase this and import topics, and then it's importing the 50 topics. You can of course change the category name here, edit category, and say without this, for example, another color. Then it's changing it, boom. And now you can generate posts from here, or you can go in here with all enable and click this. For this, we will take this and go here, and let's say 10 posts. You could also pick them here, but we want to have a mixture, and then it will generate all the posts based on all the topics you have here, and the quality is so much better. I can't tell you enough. It's the best system. I'm using it with 1,000 topics for my software company, and it also depends on what you put in here. For example, I can show you quickly here what I put in here. So you can have this as an example. This works flawlessly. So you give the core values, the niche, the audience objectives, and audience pain points. You can do this for your business outside of Marquee as well, and then put this into the prompt I give you then when you get the Viral Content Crusher system. Okay, so this is a great additional context, but in Marquee it's using this here in business, and it's generating the post based of this. And here we don't have this inserted, but you will see it's coming up with ideas. Movement is medicine. At any age, the best fitness routine, the one you'll actually do. Start small, stay consistent. Okay, then you can put in a graphic. The mirror doesn't lie, but it doesn't have to hurt. So there are also motivational, inspirational stuff in there. So while it's generating, we can check this. The captions are amazing. It's motivating the people to do something. Then it's 30-minute workouts that won't break your body. Also here, tailored to your business. I'm using the exact same system here for my business. Here you can see different topics, outcomes, automatic follow-up. Do you know how much time you've already lost for follow-ups and stuff? Because I'm selling software, I have inspirational quotes, so you can also input topics that you're interested in for business, hustling, whatever, perfectly for your niche. Then you go in here and generate posts, and then they look like this. So it's absolutely amazing. What if your business runs itself? Why are they getting all 5 stars? It's amazing. So all the topics are perfectly aligned with the ideas that we just generated. The first growth step, most Christians skip. Feeling like David against Goliath. For me, it's time wasting. Yeah, that's amazing. So here you see it's pretty easy with this program, because you can use it in any other platform. Let's quickly compare the both variations with the desired outcome angle. Let's take 39, the secret formula for lasting motivation without burnout. Let's go here, 39, stay motivated without burnout so fitness becomes a lifestyle, not a cure. Okay. As you can see, the result is 50 strategic posts ready to use, everything perfectly customized. Each post is designed with psychology-based triggers that make people stop scrolling and take action. You don't need Marky, Canva, or any specific tool. This works with whatever you're already using. Whether you create graphics with Canva, edit videos with CapCut, or schedule with Buffer, this system adapts to your entire workflow. I created this system to help content creators, businesses, and entrepreneurs like myself go from struggling with content to consistent viral posts that actually drive results. The difference isn't talent or luck. It's having the right system that works with any AI and any tool you already have. When you know exactly what works, content creation becomes effortless regardless of your tech stack and experience level. And remember that mistake 80% of creators make that I mentioned at the beginning? Here's exactly what it is and how to avoid it. The mistake: they create content without a strategic framework that connects emotionally with their audience while driving specific actions. I'm sharing the exact method, just what actually works for content that converts viewers into customers. If you want access to this complete system and prompts, comment VIRALCRUSHER below.